Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. In the first step, go to Task Manager. Then simply click on Brand New Task. Click on Browse button. Now we need to open C drive. Then open this folder. Then open Windows 32 folder. Now find out cmd.exe file selected and click on Open Now. This is our main path. Now check this box and click on OK. It'll open command prompt window. Now type here these two commands and press Enter to execute this. Type sfc /scan file equal to C /Windows system32 /iframe.dll. The type sfc /verify file equal to C /Windows system32 /iframe.dll and simply press Enter to execute this command. Once it's done, you need to type exit to close the command front window and simply move to the next step. That will be go to search. Right-click on here and run as administrator. Now, type chkdsk and hit Enter. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. And once done, simply type exit to close this. And the last step is go to search bar. Type registry editor, click to open it on this window. Expand Edge local H key machine. Then expand software folder. Now expand Microsoft folder. Then just scroll down and expand Windows folder. So directly connect it, select New, and create a new key. From Windows folder and rename it. Rename it as Windows Update. Again, right-click on it. Create a new key and name it as a U selected on the right side. Right-click here, create a new value, and name it as No Auto Reboot with Logged On User, and right-click on it and select Modify. Change the value data 1, and you can see the value name here. Now, restart your system. That's it, guys. Your problem will be solved. You are good to go.